Hello and welcome to day 19 of Survival Month. And yeah, we're nearly done the whole month of vlogging. But what have I got today? I'm in Elm, I'm in Whizbeach, and then we've got a couple of catch-up cleans. We're going to start the day with 2 gutter clears that we didn't get done last Monday. We're going to do those first. And once we've got them out of the way, I've got another 13 window cleans to do and a little bit of driving. Weather is probably going to rain most of the day when it starts. We'll find out. Hopefully I get these gutter clears before it starts raining. And yeah, will we do it? Who knows? Could stuff go wrong? I think so. Keep watching. Looks like the rain's let up at last. It's just little fine drizzle now, but we've got 6 cleans left to do. We've just done 3 all side by side. You'll see footage of me cleaning one. Matthew's done opposite, and then we both joined up on the one next door to the one I was cleaning. It's nice when they're like that. So we just got to drive these next 6 though. They're all individual. Some of them are close to each other. Looks like I think we should be all right. Normally this day's quite full, but I think once every 2 weeks we have a quiet version of it, which happens to be today, which is why Matthew put the gutter jobs on for today that we didn't get done Monday. So yeah, looks like we're going to get the work done for the day. We were close to not doing it, but I'm glad we went for it. I'm just going to wear me waterproofs for a bit now, see if they'll dry out while I'm working. Anyway, let's get on. You can probably tell I'm now recording at home. You probably saw in the last footage it's getting quite dark because the clouds come over really black, and it looks like it's going to completely dump it down with rain, which it did. It threw it down on the way home, even hail, but we made it home. I tried doing an outro, but it's just too dark, so I'm doing it here. So what have we done? We've done all our cleans today, caught up on 2 gutter clears that I couldn't do because of last Monday. That's all done and dusted, and we've caught up on the clean from earlier where we couldn't get access in, so that's all done now. Happy with that. And yeah, it's been a funny day. It's been raining all morning into the early parts of the afternoon. Managed to dry off for a bit and then just beat that downpour, so that's a result. So survival month, looks like I'm going to make it, that's for sure, and that's also included an unexpected bill from the accountant, so it looks like I've covered that as well. So I'm not going to have much left over though after that, but everyone's happy, everyone's got the money, everyone's paid, and I'm going to make it through to next month. And without having to pay Sophie next month, I'm going to be better off. So if I didn't have the accountant's bill, I'd have been really happy. But next few months then I'll use that money, start paying some things off, get square again, and hopefully start saving up for something I'm going to put my heart on, which will be a hot water system. I'd absolutely love one of them. But anyway, that's a future. So yeah, just follow along for the last 2 videos of this month. Thanks for those that have been following along, and just keep at it. If you're having a hard time and everything, just keep going. You'll get lucky somewhere. And you know what I mean? I love this job. I'm just going to keep going. I'll put everything into it to keep going. Absolutely love it. Right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that good stuff. There'll be a video up here for you to watch. And I'll catch you on the next video.